Right, a quick Stickvise project. I saw a discussion on hackaday.io about Gooseneck attachments, and I had an idea, and I had to fix my drill press first. But I'm just gonna do a quick modification of my Stickvise. Mark the rear, scribe some lines, punch some holes. Check the thread, it's M5. Fixed my drill press, which in fact I did just before I started recording this. Drilled some holes, tapped these holes, found a specific piece of scrap metal, found some volunteers, and cheated a bit, so I could stage this picture. Don't mind the mess. So here's the quick project. These things attached to the back, M5 holes. These are two different types of Chinese indicator holders. They used to come with a magnetic base. This one is a bit older than this one. This one was really the cheapest I could find, just for fun. And it has a bit smaller connector. And my camera is running out. But if you do this modification, make sure to lift up this hole a bit from the base. I centered the holes, but they're a bit too close to the desk. So hope you enjoyed this project. It was a quick hack, and hope to see you soon.